How to transfer liked songs to playlist on Spotify. If you're a Spotify user and you've got a ton of liked songs that you want to organize into a playlist, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily transfer your liked songs to a playlist on Spotify. First things first, open the Spotify app. Here, go to your library. In your library, here you'll see a section called liked songs. Tap on that. This is where all your liked songs are stored. Now, you will need to create a playlist where you want to transfer your liked songs. If you already made one, here's how to simply transfer it. Now, what you need to do is simply tap on three dots and click on add to playlist. And here you can simply tap on the playlist that you've created. And now let me simply go to here. I want to add a mixtape. Simply click on done. And that's it. The song will be transferred to the playlist that you've just created. You can do that to each and every song that you've liked, like add to playlist, and here you can simply choose where you want to send, like this. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your liked songs into a playlist.